minimalist desktop. Like this. Just follow these steps. Download rain meter for customizable widgets. You can customize this very easily. Just copy the setting for best clock. Download TTB for glass-like taskbar. It's automatically set up by Windows. Download lively wallpaper for many options. You can use existing wallpaper. You can also add wallpaper from your downloads. For the taskbar setting, just copy this. Now enjoy your desktop.